A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You didn't know, say, when we baptize, is like a dead, we dead and raise? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Roman them, chapter 6, from verse 1 to verse 14. So then, when you think, say, we for go and sin, so that God will show we more and more love, even though we don't deserve it? No, sir. Nothing can go so. When it comes to sin, I like a dead we dead. Sin now no power over we. So we were sin now no power over. We are still living in a sin. No, say when we did get baptized, we and Jesus turn one. And when we did get baptized, I like we did dead, same like how him did dead. When we did get baptized, I like we did dead and buried with Jesus Christ. We did dead and buried with him. So that same like how the Father used him great power and make Christ Jesus come back alive. A same so, him would have make we come back alive and give we one new life. Because if we did like how Jesus did dead, since we are him are one, we know we come back alive, same like how him did come back alive. We know say the way we used to live, that done with. It dead with Jesus upon the cross. It dead with him so that sin wouldn't have no power over we. It dead with him so that sin couldn't take with a slave no more. Because when somebody dead, them free. Sin can't control them no more. No, if we did dead with Christ Jesus, we believe so we will live with him too. We know that since God made Christ Jesus come back alive, him now go can dead again. Death not no power over him. When Jesus dead, sin lose all its power forever. And the life where him live now, him live for God. As same so, one must look upon yourself. When it comes to sin, I like uno dead. Sin no power over uno. And cause uno and Christ Jesus are one. The life uno live now, uno live to serve God. So no must make sin rule over uno body no more. No make it rule over uno, so that uno wouldn't do this sitting them when no body want uno to do. No allow no part of uno to mix up in a sin. No allow sin for use on body for do all kind of wickedness. Instead of that, give a life to God. I like when they dead and God make you come back alive and I live now. So you must give yourself to God. Give him every part of you so that he will use you to do it right. No make sin control you. Because you don't have to follow the law no more. The law can't save you. You get saved because God show you love, even though you never deserve it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.